During the concept and development stage of your design process, 3D interactive images and AR can be used to help present and run through your current design thoughts to the rest of the team, taking your models beyond static images and drawings and reducing the cost of initial physical prototypes. NeoSpace Essentials allows you to bring in step files and apply basic colours with varying degrees of roughness, metallic shine and transparency. With the speed and ease of dragging and dropping onto the model or the scene tree, you'll be able to quickly add that little extra to your concept designs to help portray your ideas to the rest of the team. Adjusting the selector in the palette updates the basic and transparent options that can be used to add colour to your models, and selecting individual elements from the main window can help with the speed in which a coloured concept can be created. NeoSpace Essentials can help to reduce file sizes by using optimization processes without losing the quality you see on the screen. Once optimized, you can share these files with your peers by sending out the file's URL. This can be opened on a desktop to view and interact with the 3D content. The QR code that is presented can be scanned by a phone or tablet to open the same model onto those devices, as well as allow access to the augmented reality element. By clicking to view in your space, the model will be displayed in a real-world environment where the scale can be manipulated using touchscreen capabilities, and the model can be interrogated by moving the device itself.